Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you on how you can hide your battery's information from your screen. It's a short and simple method, so first start by opening Settings. Then try finding Notifications. Then open it. And this results you will get, so try finding Status Bar, then click on it. And this is where you can disable it, so click on this button that says Shows Battery Percentage, and now as you can see the power percentage is gone. You can press again Go enable it or disable it. If you want, on the top is where you can set the number of notifications you want, so for me I prefer using this 3 most recent button. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.